Solve sec squared theta is equal to 3 minus tan theta, for theta being between 0 and 360 degrees. So you've got sec squared theta is equal to 3 minus tan theta. The problem here, we're solving between 0 and 360. We've got two different variables. We've got sec theta and tan theta. Can we make them the same? Well, if we use the identity, the Pythagorean identity, that tan squared theta plus 1 is equivalent to sec squared theta, then we could perhaps convert that sec squared theta into a tan, and then we've got tan all the way throughout. So, replacing sec squared theta with tan squared plus 1, because that's what it's equivalent to, on the right hand side it's still equal to 3 minus tan theta. Now if we add tan theta and then take 3 from both sides, the reason being here, this is going to be a quadratic, and to solve quadratics we put them equal to 0. Then we're going to have tan squared theta. This will become plus tan theta, and then if you take away 3, it will become take away 2 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic in tan theta. It does factorise. If it doesn't factorise, you could still use the quadratic formula. So we've got tan theta and tan theta, and the only way to make 2 is 1 and 2. We were going to need a plus 2, because we want plus tan theta, and this one would have to be a minus 1. So it's plus 2 minus 1. And now we say either tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So it gives you that tan theta is equal to 1. We do tan to the minus 1 of 1, which we should know is 45. Drawing out our unit circle idea, so South Asian Tennis Club, first, second, third, fourth quadrant, solving between 0 and 360. Tan, we want to know where tan is positive. Tan is positive in the first and the third quadrants. First and the third quadrant. So in those quadrants we draw an angle 45 degrees with the horizontal axis, and then starting from here being 0, we're going to have that theta is equal to 45 plus this one here, which we're going to get by doing 180 plus 45. So that's going to give me 45 or 225 degrees. Now we also have to consider the fact that tan theta plus 2 is equal to 0, or tan theta plus 2 is equal to 0, which means that tan theta is equal to minus 2. Tan to the minus 1 of plus 2 is 63.4. Remember, we ignore the minus sign, and we'll deal with that later. So we've got the South Asian Tennis Club. Right, we want to know where tan is negative this time. Tan is negative in the second and the fourth quadrants. So the second, tan is negative, and here tan is negative. So in those quadrants we draw a line where the angle is 63.4, and this is here is 63.4, and then starting from here being 0, we calculate what those angles are going to be. So theta is going to be 180, so the orange one here, so it's going to be 180 minus 63.4, or the purple one here, which is going to be 360, so go all the way around and then take away 63.4, 360 minus 63.4, so that's going to give that theta is 116.6 or 296.6. Now we've got 4 answers from this problem, 2 from here and 2 from the previous bit. So the final step is to write all answers, all solutions in ascending order. So you're going to get theta is 45, 116.6, 225 degrees, or 296.6 degrees. So this has been a video to show you how to solve a trigonometric equation where you have to use a Pythagorean identity. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.